2.4 Story time. Unity is strength. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. Explanation. Once there lived an old man with his 4 sons in a village. This man was always worried. Now, why was he worried? He was worried because his 4 sons were useless. They always fight with each other. They will not agree upon any decision, whatever was decided by their father. The old man oftenly advised his sons not to fight, help each other, stay together, live in peace, work as a team. But these sons still continued to fight, whatever the reasons be. Students, I hope this paragraph is clear to you. Next paragraph. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It's so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundles remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. Explanation. One day the father called all his sons. He gave them small bundle of sticks. He also told them to break it. The eldest brother said it was very easy for him to break it. So he tried hard, but he was unable to break the bundle. He tried again. He used all his force, all his energy, but could not succeed. You can see in the picture above. At last he gave up the hope. He was not able to break it. He handed over this bundle to his another brother. Students, I hope this paragraph is clear to you. Next paragraph. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Explanation. One by one, his brothers too tried to break the bundle of the stick, but in vain. It was of no use. They 4 did not succeed. The father was smiling at them. Later the father said, untie those bundle of sticks. Untie means something that is tied with a rope. So they have to open the knot of the rope. Untie. Untie means something that is tied with a rope. Then the father said, try to break one stick at a time. This time the boys were very lucky. As soon as they bent the stick, it broke into 2. Students, I hope this paragraph is clear to you. Next paragraph. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourself and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Explanation. Father explained to them, you broke a single stick in no time, but you were unable to break the bundle. What did you understood, sons? They did not reply. Father said, you are just like the bundle of sticks. If you stay together, help each other and live in friendship, you are stronger. No one can harm you. But if you are divided among yourself and keep fighting, you will be very weak. Anybody can defeat you, just like the single stick. Students, I hope this paragraph is clear to you. Next paragraph. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Explanation. Father said, always remember, unitedly we stand. It means together we stand, and divided we fall. It means separately we fall. If we are together, we can do any work we want. We can defeat anybody. We can help each other. We can support each other. But if we are separate, if we are alone, we cannot do everything. We will fall. We will defeat. We will not get success. So this time his son understood their mistake and they learnt a lesson and thereby started a living. They started a new life with peace, which really helped them. Students, I hope this chapter is very well clear to you. Thank you.